What's going on, Beard followers? Keep it clean. I'm here getting prepped for Thanksgiving. Here with my brother. We're all hanging out in the living room. My nephew is asleep in the corner. My foul-mouthed cousin. It's the Jersey style. So, the tradition in our family is pie baking the night before Thanksgiving. And as you can see, we got...
I feel like this is like a weird eating contest. Just like keep going. Do you need a water? Here, do you need a water?
Move your arm.
And then go again. Yeah.
How do you slide it back? You slide it back.
He's still
Slide back, bro. Slide back, bro. There we go. So good after, bro.
I don't know what's going on over there. But then we've got pies over on the table. You guys want to say hi to the camera?
Hey! Hi, we're making pies and we're hell. Shake and bake and we're hell.
So that is a Thanksgiving. You have anything to say for the camera? Alright, that's my brother. I don't know, So that's what we do the night before Thanksgiving. We make like 50-something pies. And we partake in spirits. So comment down below on what you guys do for your Thanksgiving traditions with the family. I want to know. Kim wants to know. What's going on, Kim?
Oh, hey.
Kim, I'm not.
Am I live?
I'm taken, Kim. I'm married to Jesus. I'm sorry.
Me
I'm
too.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Me too.
But you guys have a great night. Be safe out there. Don't do anything I would do. Love you guys.